Have you ever experienced the life-changing power of gratitude? It's a transformative mindset that holds the key to unlocking the universe's abundance and making your wildest dreams come true. Imagine this. When you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have, you open the floodgates to amazing things in your life. Gratitude acts like a magnet, attracting positivity and joy, creating a ripple effect that spreads happiness to yourself and those around you. Gratitude is not just a warm feeling, it's a potent tool in manifestation. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and attract more of what you desire into your life. Acknowledging and expressing gratitude for the things you wish to manifest sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are open and ready to receive. It's like placing an order with the universe and believing it will be delivered. Moreover, gratitude has this incredible ability to shift your perspective during challenging times. It empowers you to focus on finding solutions, strengthening your resilience, and helping you rise above difficulties. By incorporating gratitude into your daily life, you'll find that the power of manifestation becomes amplified. You'll start to see your intentions materialize, your dreams become a reality, and your life becomes a canvas where you paint the picture of your desires. Gratitude is the secret ingredient that propels you towards the life you've always envisioned. It empowers you to manifest with purpose and intention, opening doors you never thought possible. So let's cherish the gift of gratitude and embrace its transformative potential. Together, we'll create a life filled with abundance, joy, and endless possibilities. Let's dive deeper into how practicing gratitude enhances our ability to manifest our dreams and desires. One of the remarkable ways gratitude aids in manifestation is by shifting our mindset from a place of lack to a place of abundance. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we naturally attract more positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. It's like setting the stage for the universe to shower us with blessings. Gratitude also acts as a powerful magnet for like-minded energies. This alignment draws people, situations, and circumstances that align with our aspirations, making the manifestation process smoother and more effortless. Furthermore, gratitude serves as a beacon of faith and trust in the universe's unfolding. As we express gratitude for the things we wish to manifest, we embrace a sense of certainty that our desires are on their way. Another fascinating aspect of gratitude is its impact on our emotional well-being. This positive state of mind fuels our motivation and creativity, allowing us to take inspired actions towards our goals. Moreover, gratitude teaches us to savor the present moment fully. This heightened awareness enables us to recognize the signs and opportunities that guide us towards our manifestations. As we infuse our lives with gratitude, we also cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. This sense of interconnectedness expands our consciousness and opens our hearts to a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. So let's embrace gratitude as an integral part of our daily practice. Each morning, let's greet the day with a heart full of appreciation, acknowledging the blessings we have and the dreams we're yet to see materialize. Every night, let's reflect on the moments that touched our souls, expressing our heartfelt gratitude for the magic they brought into our lives. Remember, gratitude is not just a fleeting feeling, it's the guiding force that empowers us to manifest with intention, purpose, and unwavering belief. Let's continue to nurture our gratitude practice and unleash the power of manifestation in our lives. As we grow in gratitude and awareness, we'll witness our dreams unfolding before our eyes, each step a testament to the magic we've embraced. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If you found value in this, don't forget to subscribe and share this message with others. Together, let's create a world filled with gratitude, love, and limitless manifestations.